Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet coming back to you in the kitchen with another video.
Hello, Velvet.
Yes?
I need your help.
Loyalty Squad, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another wonderful and powerful weight loss drink. Now, if you see what's in front of me, you see we're going to be working with some powerful ingredients, okay? So, we're also going to be working with our full-size NutriBullet blender. So, let's get started, okay? This is a simple, easy, everyday recipe. So, we're going to be working with one large cucumber. And being that this is not organic, that's the reason why I peel off my skin. You don't have to peel your skin off. It's much healthier to blend it with the skin. But this has some waxy film on it, so I'm going to try to avoid that. I've already washed it and scrubbed it off. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is just chop this into pieces. And then chop them into smaller pieces and add them into my blender. Okay, next I'm going to be working with 2 inches of ginger root. So now that we're finished with our ginger, I'm just going to put it all inside my blender. Okay, next I'm working with some papaya. Now what I did was I cut up 1 big papaya and cubed it, took the seeds out, and this is about 2 cups of papaya, so I'm just going to put that inside my blender. I'm going to add in 1 cup of water. Next, what I'm going to do is squeeze my lemons. So you're going to squeeze 1 full lemon. And last, I'm going to be using my apple cider vinegar. Okay, so just make sure you shake that up really well. And I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons. Now this spoon is a 2 tablespoon serving. Okay. And now we're just going to blend this up. Now we're just going to pour this inside of our Big Mama or Big Papa mug. And there you go, you guys. A delicious treat. Okay. And now we're just going to pop our straw in there and we are ready. Now this is a powerful morning meal replacement. You're going to drink this instead of having a breakfast. You're going to have a meal replacement smoothie. This is a powerful drink that's going to allow you to lose 30 pounds in 14 days. You drink this every day in the morning and you drink the whole entire concoction throughout the day. You're going to feel full. It's going to be filling. You probably will not want to eat anything until lunchtime. Then your able to eat a meal. Okay, this is an easy to make powerful smoothie that's going to shed that weight off your body, flush your system out, clean your colon out, suppress your appetite, fill your body with vitamins, minerals, and lots of fiber. And it's filling. It's going to suppress your appetite and help with digestion. This is powerful, okay? So you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Also, check down below on my eBay store for wonderful herbs and spices for weight loss, as well as the natural honeys that's there to boost your body up as well as to benefit your organs, okay? And check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care, skincare, beauty care videos, and more, all right? So until the next time, you guys, I welcome you to join me again in the next video. Are you ready to start your weight loss journey? Because I want to show you how to kickstart that new you body fast. I have this wonderful detox tonic that will have you feeling and looking better in the skin that you're in. And it's the popular Firm and Flat Belly Detox and Energizer Tonic. This tonic will help you to lose inches, cleanse your blood, burn unwanted body fat. This will also flatten your stomach, remove waste, boost your metabolism, and strengthen your colon. This tonic is powerful, and within 4 to 6 hours after taking it, you will definitely have to go. You're going to have a huge bowel movement followed by several more throughout the day. This tonic will remove all of that excess waste stored in your colon, which will have you feeling better with more energy. You can drink 2 to 4 tablespoons in the evening before bed, and by the morning, you are going to have to go, all right? You're going to be going to the bathroom. So you repeat taking this straight for 1 week, and then after that, every other evening to continue removing that toxic waste from your body. Of course, you should eat and drink healthy, light meals, as well as do some exercise for maximum results. Feel and look better in no time. The Firm and Flat Belly Detox Tonic can be found down below in the eBay store. So hurry and get your bottle while supplies last. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play, all right? This is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it, okay? You're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel, okay? So like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store, all right? So until the next time, you guys, have fun, okay? And I will see you in the next video.